How to attract your blessing faster. What's meant for you will come to you. During the following will speed up the process. When you wake up every morning, express your gratitude for 5 things that you have and you can't live without. It can be people, places, objects, health, relationships, whatever it means to you. Now, also express gratitude for the things you don't have yet. Do it in the present tense. For example, I am so grateful for the career of my dreams. I am grateful that it is mine. Also, set a positive intention for the day. Like, today I will compliment others genuinely and lovingly. Celebrate every moment of your day, your life. Compliment yourself every single time you look in the mirror. Express love for yourself.